Okay, good afternoon, second grade. We have come to our very last subject of the day, which is science. And on Wednesday, when you listened to Studies Weekly, science talked all about a force. A force is something that makes you move, okay? A force is movement, some type of movement. So what we're going to do today, in your folder, you have this science paper that talks about a push or a pull. Okay, a push or a pull. This is about force, getting things to move. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at those pictures and then we're going to either write push because you push it to get it to move, or pull because you have to pull it to get it to move. Okay, so if I had a wagon, I could either push it and it would move backwards, or I could pull it and it would move forwards. Okay? There are some things that I can only push, and there are some things that I can only pull to get it to move. Okay? Push or pull. So, my picture, number one, it's of a man. And he has some horses, and he's plowing his field. This is before they had tractors to do all this. He did it by hand. So, if you were hooked up to this like he is, would you have to push to get the horses to go forward or pull them to get them to go forward? That's what I need you to write. Push or pull. Push is to push away from you. Pull is to pull back to you. Okay, so what would you do? Would you push to get the horses to go, or would you pull backwards to get them to go? Write that on the line, either push or pull. Okay? Number two, we have a wheelbarrow. We have a wheelbarrow, and the arrow's telling us it's going this direction. So are we going to push that wheelbarrow to get it to go, or are we going to pull it to get it to go towards that arrow? The direction of the arrow. Are we going to push it, or are we going to pull it? Write it on the line. Push or pull. Okay, then we have some people water skiing. They're water skiing. For them to water ski, is the boat pushing them or is the boat pulling them? Now, are they being pushed by a boat? Here's the strings. Or are they being pulled by a boat? Right, push or pull. Okay, for number 4, this is a screw. This is a screw. To get a screw to go into a board, are we going to pull it, or are we going to push and turn? We're going to pull and turn. We're going to push and turn to get it to go in. Push or pull. Hey, this one here. We have somebody playing on a big instrument, a big cello. To get it to play music, is he pushing it across, or is he pulling it back, or is he doing both? Is he pushing it across, or is he pulling it back, or maybe is he doing both? You write an answer. Hey, and then the last one, we have a crane. We have a crane, okay? If the crane has something on the ground and he wants it to go up, 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 is he pushing it up or is he pulling it up? Would the crane pick up something from the ground? Would he push it up or would he pull it up? Which would he do? Push and pull. That is what your science was all about this week. Pushing and pulling. Getting things to move in one direction or the other. Push or pull. If you have not got onto Studies Weekly, it'd be a good thing for you to get onto Studies Weekly and do your science and your social studies sometime this weekend. Hey, well, you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys in class on Monday. It is picture day, okay? So you can be dressed for pictures. Talk to you then. Goodbye.